Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The View Squad. This is Vava this side, and today we're gonna talk about how to let go of people and move ahead of them. So let's get straight to today's video. Okay, first things first. What is going on with you? Is this like no? Like you tell me what is going on with you. Are you okay? Are you doing okay? If it's a yes, then I'm very proud of you, honey. But if it's a no, then why? You see, honey, people come and go, friends come and go, even sometimes family members like relatives come and go. Is it going to change your life? Is this person doing anything for me in my life? Like, is this person money? Is this person doing something for me? Like, you can stay or you can leave, it doesn't matter. I don't care. Why is it that people move on from you but you cannot move on from people? Why is it that you just can't seem to get ahead of yourself? You see, honey, when a person decides that they want to heal themselves, they want to do something with them, they work it out. Like, if I will stay in my room being sad and just thinking about all those moments that happened, I'm never gonna move on. I'm never gonna be able to realize that this is my worth and this is what something that I'm supposed to do. You see what's going on with you? If you're constantly thinking about that person, that means you gave that person the validation to stay in your mind. That person had the audacity to stay in your mind even when they do even when they do not exist in your life anymore. If you removed someone, then it must be for a reason, right? If God removed somebody from your life, it must be for a reason. Why do you want them back? The thing is, I need attention. I need love. I need care. And if I have to fight for any of them from a single person, then you know what? F you. F that attention, F that love, F that care. I can love myself better than you can love me. And that's it. That's the thing. Nobody can do as such thing for me that I cannot do for myself. And every single time I'm gonna do it better because that's something that I'm doing for myself. I am the one. I am the one who has to do something for me. Nobody else is gonna do it for me. At the end, it's always, is she okay? No. Is Bhavya okay? Is Bhavya alright? Because when you proceed and when you finally move on, when you finally get success, that person is not gonna say, was she okay? Was he okay? That person is gonna take your name. That person is gonna give you a prioritization in that statement, and that person is gonna say, oh yeah, so I was dating this person. You see, they have this availability to say they dated you. They have this ability to say that they were with you. They were with you. Start prioritizing yourself. You are not somebody that's just for everybody to rub their foot over. Being kind is fine, but it doesn't mean to be a footmat for everybody to rub their foot over and then just walk away. It's not. Another thing, see, everybody heals. You may believe it or not. I was in one of my phases a while ago and I healed through it. And when I was healing, my thoughts were like, I'm never gonna get over this. Oh my god, I'm never gonna heal from this. I did. You see, everything that goes to waste is something that always returns to you. For example, you see, a flower doesn't keep on blooming every single day like the for the whole year. It blooms once and then it just fades off after the season is done. Like after the weather is done, after the flower weather is done, it just fades off. But does it bloom back? It does. Does it bloom back better? It does. You see, a person will never realize your worth until you will realize yourself. I know my worth. I know where I lie. I know how I should be treated by people. And so I don't accept the behavior they give it to me when I feel like that this is not something I should be settling with. First and last rule that you should always remember in your life is how a person treats you. A friend that has been, basically, If you have a misunderstanding with a friend and that friend becomes your enemy, that means that person was never a friend from the first day. Same for the example, if you're dating somebody and you get into a fight and then they start blaming you about something or they start picking out your insecurities, maybe tell you that they wanna break up, they wanna get away from you, that person is not in love with you, honey. It's just one sided effort. You are the one who is doing things for them. They are not the one for you. They don't deserve you. Okay? Another thing, stop stop expecting validation from others. You do not need any type of validation from others. Your opinion is the only thing that matters, and it should. Like, why is it that you want validation from others? I don't need a validation from others. I don't need somebody to tell me, oh, you look good or you look bad. It's fine. That's your opinion, and you're entitled to your opinion. Is that facts? No. But you're entitled to your opinion, and that's completely fine. And like, what is even gonna happen if you don't like me? Everybody doesn't have to like you. You don't like everybody on your own, then why do you expect everybody to like you? When you walk into the room, you want yourself to look good. You don't think that, oh my god, is somebody gonna like me? Oh my god, like, am I gonna make a blunder out of me? No. You walk into a room and you think about it. Am I gonna like somebody? Is somebody gonna be there who's on my standard? Oh my god, nobody's on my level. That's what you should be thinking. Because people do. Everybody do. And at the end, what is even gonna happen? Oh, Bhavya, they were saying bad about you. I don't care. I don't care. That's it. Oh, Bhavya, they were saying good about you. Okay. They were saying bad about you. Okay. They don't like you. Okay. But they like you. Okay. Is it making any difference? Does it make a difference? Somebody liking me is doing anything for my, like, is somebody liking me doing anything in my life? Is somebody disliking me doing anything in my life? If that person hates me, what is their role in my life? You hate me, okay, now what? But you would have fought back, like, yeah, you used to fight back. I used to. I used to. I am not the same person I was like 2 days ago. Why do you expect me to be the same person I was years ago? You are not the same person your past version was. You are the person who you did so much hard work to build. You are the one who is built by your own imagination, your own energy, your own mindset. Nobody else has built you. Nobody else has helped you build the version you are of yourself right now. Don't go back to those things that broke you. God healed you for a reason. You healed yourself for a reason. Don't go back to the things that destroyed you. They are not worth it. If somebody was worth it in the first place, God would not have removed them from your life. And that is something that you have to get in here. If a person is good for you, God will not remove them. But if a person is bad for you, God will remove them. If a person just is there, like, if a person is there in your life just to have something, just to claim something from you, God will remove him. God will remove her. And you have to trust the process. You are always going to be bloomed better. Every single time when you're gonna heal, you're gonna be better. You are going to realize, oh my god, I came from here to here. Who helped me? Nobody. I was there for myself. God was there for myself. Universe was there for myself. Consider yourself worthy of everything. You are good enough. Nobody else is there to be good enough. Nobody is gonna do anything for you, honey. You are the one who's doing things for you. You are the one taking care of yourself, of your soul, of your mind, of your body, of everything. You are the one who's responsible for anything that's happening in your life. Look in the mirror, honey. We don't have anyone to blame. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. Look inside you. Do anything you want, but do it with yourself. People do not care. The world moves. The world moves on. Nobody cares. You have to realize that. The world is gonna move on, people are gonna move on, they're gonna come, they're gonna go. Nobody is gonna care about you if you're on the lowest. They only care about you when you're rich or when you're successful, and that's it. You are not the person who's gonna be, who's thinking about everybody except yourself. We are gonna be the person that's gonna think about ourselves. You are something that was created by God, that was created by the universe for something. You were sent on this earth to do something, to achieve something. You were not sent on this earth to be sad or get thoughts about, oh my god, I'm so insecure, oh my god, nobody likes me. Let them be. There are a lot of people who don't like me. There are a lot of people who don't like you. There are a lot of people who don't like anybody. Is that making a difference? If 10 people are saying bad about me right now while I'm at my home making videos for you, making videos for me to see in the future, oh my god, how much I've grown, is it going to matter to them? They are going to say bad about me this way or that way. So let them say bad about me while I'm successing myself. Let them say bad about you. Let them be the person who left you and regret. And if you are crying over somebody that left you at your lowest, then honey, I tell you something. God is laughing right now. God is laughing at you. God is looking at you and laughing. I tell you, if you cry for somebody that God removed you from your life because they were not good enough, but you still miss them and you're crying for them, then God is laughing at you. God is laughing at you because He can see that that person didn't give a shit about you and you are crying as if your life depended on them. What is going on? What's up with you, honey? Like, one person, if one person is gonna leave, then another is gonna come. That's the rule of the universe. It's very basic, it's very easy. If a person thinks that they can betray you, they can make you regret something, they can make you feel guilty, then a person should realize that that is gonna happen after they leave. And leaving you is a big mistake for anybody because you are blessed by the universe. God is protecting you. God is giving you a way to move forward, and you are going back towards like the same way that destroyed you. Don't betray God. Don't betray yourself. You worked so hard to get out of that phase, and now you're getting back to it again. Don't betray yourself. The next time you look in the mirror, you say to yourself, I am not doing this. I am not gonna be the one who's blaming my own self. I'm not gonna betray myself. I'm not gonna betray God. And that is what everybody should realize, especially you, honey. And so that's it for today, guys. And I hope it helped. And if it did, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.